Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I thought I'd film because my husband just came back from work and he told me to get ready so we can go somewhere. Normally when he says get ready and we're gonna go out, normally it's to see a new car. So I'm guessing that's where we're going. I've no idea. So the baby is actually wearing this outfit. But it is 18 degrees outside, so I am going to change his clothes. And yes, he does sleep with his mouth open. Oh my god, I love him. So yeah, my husband's in the shower. You can hear the music. He likes to listen to music. And what else? I'll show you what I'm wearing. My maternity clothes are too big and my normal clothes are still too tight, so I just picked up like some sort of baggy tops from New Look. So I've just got one of these on and my leggings and my socks. Unfortunately I have all of these clothes here and just this section here fits me, and all of this is like way too tight yet. So I need to get back into the gym, I think. So I just set up the camera because I've had a few questions on Instagram regarding my health and my son's health, because I've been posting on my story that he was in hospital and that I was like not doing so good as well. So I'll start with the baby. He was in hospital because he had a bad reaction to his vaccines and he wasn't drinking milk. But when we went there, they monitored him for a while, quite a few hours actually, and then for some reason he just started drinking. So it was like proving me wrong. Now on to my health. My health is a completely another story. After labor, which was 10 weeks ago now, I have not been the same. Obviously no one is, but I've had some really complicated health issues. So I've been referred to different specialists. My recovery is still ongoing. I am going to do a separate vlog on the whole story. Good morning. Good morning.
You're smiling.
So now I've got him changed. I'm just going to quickly give him some milk and pack his bag, because it literally takes ages packing his bag to get out of the house. I just sat down to show you his outfit and he decided he wanted to puke up. So I've just cleaned that. Anyways, this is his outfit. It is so cute. It's just like a little romper and he's got different animals all over it. I was just thinking as well when I was dressing him, this would be perfect to take him to the zoo in. So yeah, this is what he's gonna wear, and all of his sick that he's just done. He literally looks like a little peanuts in there. But I've just opened this door and let some air in. This is all done. Yep, we're ready.
Are you vlogging?
Yep, I am. Look at the little peanut.
Hello. Are we going out? Are we going out? You ready? Come on, let's go. Come on, baby. Come on, papa. Oh, it smells so good. Good job to mama.
Actually, it was Daddy who made him smell good. I'm just gonna put him in the car seat and load him into the car. And whilst he puts him in the car seat, I just make his bottle, because he always gets a bottle when we're out. Okay guys, so we pulled up outside the car showroom, so I was 100% right about where we were going. He's literally in his zone. Like, this is exactly what he loves to do. He loves cars and he just looks at them all day long, to be honest. I've got a question to ask you. Why are you looking at a car that you already own?
I already own one.
You already got this exact same car.
You know me, I love my car shopping.
This poor baby has to literally just come along with us. He fell asleep in the car. Oops. Good morning. Ibrahim, you have to do a smile if you want a new car. No, not a yawn. If you want a new car, you have to smile. Can you do a smile for mommy? Can you do a smile for mommy? Yeah, there you go. Oh my god, I love you. I just said to him that I can't believe how the weather is today. I think on Friday they said it's going to be 30 degrees, which is literally ridiculous. But yeah, it's around 25 degrees. I am boiling. The baby is boiling. He was crying because he wanted to sleep, but then he doesn't sleep without something on his face. So once he's into a deep sleep, I'm going to remove that jacket from him. But yeah, we're just waiting on getting the keys to one of the cars so that we can have a look around. That's what you want to put in my vlog.
Bumps and bumps. Are we at another showroom now? Is that what you're vlogging?
Yep, the second showroom of the day, and this is the car we're looking at. No, it's not. There's nothing here for us really. He's just came to see his friend. Oh, he's awake.
Oh. Strong.
We've just came now to see my husband's mum. She's actually in the hospital, so we've just came to visit her, and there was a baby crying like where we was, and every time that baby cries he screams. So I've actually brought him into the parent and baby room, and I've just given him some milk, and he's kind of cheered up now a bit. So I actually changed his clothes again into this sleep suit because, you know, the evenings it get kind of cold, so he's in the sleep suit and he's much happier. So now we're just sitting here and waiting for that baby to stop crying. I can still hear them crying outside, and he's happier now. He can't hear anything. I don't know why, like, it's so weird. Every time a child cries near him, he just has to scream. I don't know if he wants to join in or if it actually scares him. I don't know.